Hey guys, this is SolidWorks. Today we're gonna have a look at one of the tips regarding the filter. So if you're a beginner or just intermediate, SolidWorks user, you might actually notice this, one of the kind of filter mark right beside actually my mouse cursor that actually just torture us a lot. Just because, for example, like if I want to actually select this edge, I try to select this one. Oh man, actually this is not supposed to actually select the face. Select the edge. Is to select the face. Select the edge. Yes, to select the face actually. So what's the issue behind here is this is currently set as filter face only. So the only way you can just check, what kind of actually filter you're just like currently activate is if you press F5. And then on the bottom side, you'll be able to see there's a lot of actually filter options. But from there, actually, can you see this filter faces, which is the shortcut button is X button, which is activated. So you can see the kind of check, it's pressed there. So that is the reason actually this is just like only selecting the face, even though you try to aim to select, the edge area. So the way actually you can inactivate is just either you can click it and then it's gonna be gone, right? So you can just select the edge. Or the other way is you can just press X, because if you actually hover over the filter face X, and then this shortcut is just set as X. So then even actually you by mistake actually click X button, and then that's just gonna be actually disabled. So if you really want to actually just not even if you're not an actually user that using filter face at all, then and also sometimes you don't want to mistakenly just click X to just activate the filter faces, then the way you can actually just absolutely just detach from that keyboard shortcut is you can go to the down arrow right beside the option, and then there's a customize, and I just want you to go to the so I just want you to go to the comments. Sorry, actually I just want you to go to the keyboard, and then you can just go to filter face, and then there is actually shortcut X is set currently, so you can just delete it and then just click OK. So even though you click X, that's not going to activate it, because if you hover over here, there's no kind of the X button within the bracket, which means there's no kind of shortcut activated. So that's one other way actually you can just basically disable this kind of shortcut for the filter faces, so you can be free from kind of mistakenly click any kind of keyboard button. So yeah, that's the tip for today. So if you're having any difficulty, just automatically set the filter so that makes your life so much harder, then press F5. That's just the tip. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I will see you next one. Bye.